Benedict Tso Vilakazi is the all-time top goal scorer for Orlando Pirates with 52 goals plus 32 appearances for Bafana Bafana.
If you understand what I'm talking about, you will say to me, so you are correct.
Now you can catch Tso live every Monday on Omni Audio, TikTok, Facebook, and X. Don't miss Tso's football wisdom exclusive to Omni.
Bafana Bafana are in action. On Friday, they play Zimbabwe at the Mbombela Stadium, and then at the Moses Mabhida Stadium, sorry. And then next week, Tuesday, they play Rwanda at Mbombela Stadium. Let's start with the game against Zimbabwe because things are looking tough in the group here, Bafana Bafana, since the 3 points have been docked. So now Bafana Bafana are forced to win both games. In the standings in Group C for the World Cup qualifiers, Benin are on top with 14 points. Bafana Bafana number 2 with 14 points. But Benin are on top because of goal difference. And then third place is Nigeria with 11 points. And then Rwanda with number 4 with 11 points. And then Lesotho are number 5 with 9 points. And then Zimbabwe are last in the group with 4 points. Hotman, final squad has been announced. Some exciting players, and we're also happy for Tsepang Moremi. He made it to the final squad. It's very exciting to see local players being given opportunities, and we see how Bafana Bafana has now become a team that depends mostly on local players than international players. Of course, we have Abu Lyle Foster who are playing at the big leagues. Of course, their experience and their knowledge of the game plays a big role, but local players have been doing well. Bafana playing Zimbabwe. Khotman, easy win for Bafana.
Bafana. Guys, I'm going to ask you nicely, guys. Everyone in South Africa, please, guys. These 2 games that are so important in our lives. These 2 games that's so important in our lives. Yes, we made mistakes. We accept the apologies that whoever in the technical team or in SAFA, whoever that made a mistake, not to see that Ulontuzana has got 2 yellow cards and you are supposed not to play against Lesotho and he played. Look, Tso's football wisdom, accept your apology. We are human beings. We all make mistakes. Done. Now, guys, please, let's support, guys. Let's support, the team. It's now, they need us more than anything else. They need us. Tso's football wisdom is there as your number 1 fan, Bafana. I'm saying, guys, you can do it. You've shown us that you can do it. You can still do it. Look, everyone here in South Africa will be behind you guys. I'll be there watching you guys, supporting you guys, not sitting. I'll be standing from the first whistle to the last whistle. I believe in you, boys. I believe in you, coach, and the technical team. I know that you guys you can go through. You've shown that you don't need favors to go through. You worked for yourself, and God will make sure that you guys go to the World Cup. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. As long as you know that whatever you do, your conscience is clear, I'm telling you, your way is going to be clean. We need everyone to support the team, guys, when you're going to play in Moses Mabhida. That stadium should be packed, guys. Everyone should be there. The boys, they need you guys. They need us. They need us as a 12th man in that game. We need that 3 point more than anything else in this world. And the most important thing in that, not only 3 points, we need goals. We need goals, guys. I'll pray, guys. Tso's football wisdom, I will pray, guys, that you guys will win that game with 5 goals. You win with 5 goals, you don't concede. Even though the Benin will win, if they win, we're gonna go on top. Same points, but with goals, we'll be up there. I know, guys. I believe in you. I trust in you, guys. I know you can do it. And Tso's football wisdom is wishing you all the best in the game against him on Friday 6 o'clock. I'll be there opening my eyes and make sure that you guys you go through and get that 3 points.
Are you happy with the squad, Hotman?
Very happy. Look, at this moment, I love what Coach Bruce is doing, that he select players based on the performance that they are currently doing now. And with that, that is one thing that I'm happy about with Coach Bruce. And Coach Bruce knows how to select players based on watching the opponents and knowing that watching these opponents, this is what they do, this is what I want to do, this is how I'm going to close them down, and this is how I'm going to open them and then get a goal. And look, I'm very pleased with the squad, and that's why I'm saying I wish them all the best.
Hotman, just before Sivala, I think we can go to that segment. La Hotmani, you look back into your career during your playing days and just share with us moments that you hold dearly to you, like your fond memories of the days when you used to play.
Yeah, look, I remember when I started to play for Orlando Pirates, and I was wearing jersey number 34, and people will laugh, and I laugh. It was a short sleeve shirt, but to me it looks like it was a long sleeves. How big it was, and here it was also big. Then I had to tie it here in front of me. I had to tie it here so that it looks good. And yeah, man, had the support of the chairman, Dr. Ivan Koza, the late to Mr. Mabaso, Coach Palashus, may his soul rest in peace, Mr. Mabaso, and Coach Palashus, the late Ted Dumitro, may his soul rest in peace, Coach Bondarenko, the lady Coach Mkandawiri. Those are the coaches that when I get to professional football, they were there and they looked after me and they coached me very well. They built me to be the person that I am. And I remember Coach Victor Pondarengo used to say, now I want you to go in there and just do whatever that you think is good for us to win. I don't want to tell you what it is that you need to do. And I remember, I think the coach was, if not the Palashos, I think it was the late Mkandawiri. I don't remember. We were playing against Ria Stars in Limpopo. We were playing against Ria Stars. I remember then he said to me, look, if you want to dribble them. As long as you know that you're going to win the game. One thing I want is for you that to go and win the game. And I scored a goal that I will never forget in my life. I will never forget that goal where I got the pass from Grotmani, William Jackson. He's an assistant coach at Siwelele. I got a pass from him just outside our big box in our half. And then I dribbled, I made the run, I controlled the ball going forward, dribbling, going forward, and end up scoring a goal against the Stars. That's one of the goals that I will never forget. And please, I've been looking for that footage. I don't know who's got that footage of that goal. And that goal, that was one of the best goals I've ever scored in my career of football. I scored a lot of goals, but that one I will always single out based on how I've went with that ball from our half and then towards the net. Yes, I did score some of them when I get the ball in my half, and then I go and score. When we played against Ilontuzana, we played against Malawi in the COSAFA Cup. I scored a goal like that. But playing for Orlando Pirates, that is something that I will never forget in my life. When we played the Champions League, I remember we went to play TP Mazembe. Yeah, TP Mazembe then DRC. That was a tough one. Where I remember, I think I was still young when I saw Abu Makfish went to DRC to play against TP Mazembe, where they've been hitting Abu Tombela, Vuzikazu Makfish. It was something else. And I was also part of, it happens that I was in the team that played again in DRC, playing Champions League against TP Mazembe. When we came back at home, we played in Tembisa, we lost the game 4-3 against TP Mazembe. I had good memories with Abu Okbara, William Okbara. We used to call him father. Gerard Rampachlele, Grootmani. Guys, you know, when you look at Grootmani, Gerard Rampachlele, you will say, whatever the case may be. A very, very humble, nice Grootman. You know, he used to say, boys, you can do whatever you want to do, but when it's time to work, you work. He was always pushing me all the time to say, you can be better than what you were last week. You know, each and every week, he was always pushing me. And I like how they supported me, Amakrutman, including Abutebo Khomoloi, the late Potutso Makanya. Today, he's a doctor, Ulonduzana, Bernard Lushozi. I don't know whether people still remember him. Grootman, Bernard Shoes Lushozi. He was a defender, big defender. They call him Shoes. He was also, you know, encouraging me. And I remember when I was going to wear the jersey number 5, it was when Grootman, Gavin Lane used to wear number 5 at Paris, and then he gave me that jersey to say, go and create a history with that jersey. And guys, I've got more and more and more of my memories with Orlando Pirates. I'll share with you again next week.
I know, Grootman. Thank you so much for your time. I think it's Ngaiva.
Lona ubongane Benedict Vilakazi, bambiza Tso, bambiza Little Napoleon. Umshika insizwe zishumi mayiyodwa ngeke yenze lutho. Ngithi bafowethu, please don't forget. La it's football wisdom. Don't forget to like, share and post. The most important one, to subscribe. Please subscribe bafowethu. Ngiyabonga. Danko. Oyi.